Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable sounds within the Facebook application. Sounds are crucial for enjoying video content and other multimedia elements on Facebook. So we'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you can fully immerse yourself while using this popular social network. Whether you want to watch videos, listen to audio clips, or engage with interactive content, enabling sounds will enhance your experience on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook application. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. After that, tap on the gear icon also in the top right corner. Once you've done that, now in the Preferences section, select the Media option. And finally, in the Video and Photo Settings section, tap the switch next to the Get Sounds in the App option to turn it on. And that's all there is to it for this option. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay well and see you soon in the next video.